Oh, that's a giant.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid.
What is up, guys? It is Tuesday evening, and that means one thing. It is Tourney Tuesday. This is stop number 3 of the Easthill Bass Brawl. It is on the Otonabee River. Just finished some pretty heavy thunderstorms. Luckily they have finished up, and it is nice, bright blue, sunny skies. So, of course, there's a garbage truck that has to drive by right when I'm doing my intro here. But yeah, conditions have improved since this afternoon, and the tournament is a go. So just waiting for my brother, which he just pulled up. So we are going to get the boat onto the truck and head on up to Peterborough and launch this thing and try to bring home a W. So stay tuned, and we'll see you at the lake. The competition.
Yeah, because were they fishing for this one?
Yeah, everybody's out in their jobs. Look what the fun.
They're just thinking, what in the flying fuck?
What wrong is that?
Love it.
Oh, that's a giant. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, that's 5. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you got one.
Fucking dog. That's a giant, Largy. That's a giant.
Oh, fucking random tree.
Told ya.
Well, I mean, we might be taking home.
Oh, we're getting that prize back. No one's catching that.
So I get half the X zones, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Kidding.
No, you do, 100%.
We have so many fucking soft
No.
plastics, it's not even funny.
100%.
This whole dock might be good though.
Right.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the
You lose that thing.
The top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, don't diss my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
Alright, let's roll.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Start your engines, yo.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Alright, guys, we're already fucking line up to take their shit.
Well, how'd you guys make out? No? Oh shit, that's good.
We did that dog.
Yeah.
He was on one side, I was on the other side, both like that.
What?
Yeah, that's funny, because I was telling him, I was like, let's hit that fucking duck.
We were contemplating it. We got a big one. We got a 6er.
Yeah?
Yeah, but like we only got 3 fish.
You got it?
I got one that's like, oh damn, it might be a PB.
No way, how big?
It's over 6.
No way.
Yeah. But we only got 3.
Pretty much it, though.
Yeah, we only got 3 fish.
12, 11.
Yeah, we got a 6er anyways. But then we only got 3 bites. Or 4 bites and I lost one and it was probably another good one. That's how she goes. She clomped it on the tree and then just booked it right out of it and I couldn't even keep up to it. Wrapped me around a limb. How'd you make out? I seen you in the middle there. I'm like, oh, he's either gonna do really good or he's not gonna do good.
Figure might as well hit a small spot.
Yeah, I seen you there and I'm like, oh, okay. I know what you're doing. Did you get any good ones?
Catching fish this long.
Fuck, we didn't catch. I
Finding those.
don't even think we caught a bass, like a 1-pounder.
No.
I caught a 1 over 6, and then like a one that might be under 3, and then one's like a 1.5 pound. It was gross, man. Like, and like the amount of shit I got stuck on, like even flipping a beaver, I'm like losing my hair. Like, I want to keep my hair. No.
Keep it as long as you can.
Yeah. Waiting for a 6er to come out and break my heart.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Oh no, that one's going. Oh no, that's not that big. It's like a.
You need a bag. They got it. You don't have a bag.
We have a bag. Yeah, we have somewhat of a bag.
Get a bag to put in the bag in.
Well, I got half a bag. But
Drink a dink raisin bag.
yeah, I don't have any poles. Hold that. Hold that and hold that at the same time.
Can't.
You could
Can't do both. Gotta hide this one. Looks like it's gonna storm here now. I don't know.
There's our big one.
Yeah, that's a big fish right there.
Oh, God. Alright, I'm just gonna grab the big one because he's easy to get.
You don't hold them up for a bag or you can wait. Oh, man. That's a big one. They're a big fish.
It's uncomparable to the other 2. That's a big one, though.
This has got like 19 and change. Really? Yeah.
Oh, we don't have that. Not even anywhere
No.
close to that.
I'll have big fish, though. Donkey.
I didn't see it, but find out.
Oh, it's, yeah.
Yeah, it's here.
It's taking it.
It is. It's all one fish in here.
Yeah, it is.
It's one fish. 11-10.
Holy crap.
More than I thought.
That's gonna be like a 7. Okay, hold that. Put that back in there. This. Get in here, big girl.
Got her?
Take a picture. Go in the bag. Oh, shit, yeah. Yeah, I need it in the bag.
Oh,
Throw your other ones out.
Okay.
I want that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a tanker. Good work, Tyler. That's a good girl.
Thank you.
Nice fish. That'll take the X Zone prize.
That it will.
7?
Let's go.
7.5.
I wake up to a little
big
bit
fish.
of
Get
trouble.
some
I feel
pictures.
like it's gonna be a bad day.
Got pictures of it?
Yeah,
I'm tired of shit.
Yeah, that's my biggest allergy ever.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Jeremy.
Hold my breath for a minute. I'm about to
take one
quit my
for you?
job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip
hold it
and I
up right
don't
here.
plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change.
freak.
Spend the rest of his life in this arena.
I'm hitting and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all.
Here, is there?
Yeah, there is.
Woo. Salvage the points for that one.
That's enough.
11 pounds,
Yeah,
that's
that's
3 fish. Oh, that's not going there. I'm all excited. Absolutely. I'll even put it in there the right way. No, I got 3 for 11 with a 7. Here.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that